Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're going to discover how you can build a complete, zero-cost animation studio right from your desk. We're unpacking exactly how to leverage a stack of completely free AI tools to create high-quality animated stories totally from scratch.
You know, high-earning skills like animated video production used to require ridiculously expensive software, massive high-end computers, and literally years of specialized training. But today, I'm going to show you how generative AI has completely leveled the playing field. Whether you want to make engaging content for kids, maybe explain complex business ideas, or honestly, just bring a wild creative story to life, you really don't need a Hollywood budget anymore. You just need the right playbook.
So here's our step-by-step blueprint for today. We're looking at 1. The free animation studio. 2. Scripting and prompt generation. 3. Animating with Meta AI. 4. The screen record workaround. And finally, 5. Editing and removing watermarks.
All right, moving to section 1, the free animation studio. Let's assemble your digital film crew.
By combining these specific free platforms, we are bypassing expensive subscriptions entirely. Think of this setup like a real movie studio. For our screenwriter, we'll use ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI. Then, our animator and cinematographer is Meta AI, specifically powered by their incredibly fast EMU model. Now, since Meta doesn't actually let us download videos directly just yet, OBS Studio is going to step in as our trusty camera operator. For post-production, we rely on Canva and Filmora 12. And finally, Google AI Studio steps right into the recording booth as our voice actor. And the absolute best part, every single tool here has a completely robust free tier.
Okay, section 2, scripting and prompt generation. This is where we literally build your visual production plan. So the really crucial point here is that you aren't just generating a script, you're actually generating the exact text commands you're going to need to keep your visuals super consistent. Let's say, for example, we want to animate the classic race between a turtle and a rabbit. We just go into DeepSeek or ChatGPT and ask it for the story, sure, but we also ask for a specific image generation prompt for every single scene. If the script feels, a bit too complex, just tell the AI to refine it, like asking it to write in simple English for kids. Boom! In seconds, you've got a narration script and a corresponding visual prompt for every single shot.
Now, adding specific environmental details and a visual style is absolutely the secret to unlocking high-quality outputs. A weak prompt like, say, imagine a polar bear at a pool, just gives the AI way too little to work with. But by adding actions, background characters, and specifically demanding an early 2000s 3D animation style, we give the AI a rigid framework to operate in. When you're generating prompts for your story, you absolutely want this level of detail to ensure your turtle and rabbit actually look like they belong in the exact same animated universe from scene to scene.
Section 3. Animating with Meta AI. Let's really explore the capabilities of this EMU model.
Meta's EMU model, which, by the way, stands for Expressive Media Universe, is heavily optimized for speed and aesthetic quality. That makes it the absolute perfect free engine for generating our scene graphics. It can spit out a grid of 4 highly detailed, photorealistic images in just 2 to 4 seconds. I mean, it's incredibly good at textures and lighting, and honestly, the best part, it's right there in apps you probably already use every single day, like WhatsApp, Instagram, or directly on their Imagine website. But the real magic is a feature that actually allows us to turn these static images into video clips.
To kick things off, you simply type Imagine, followed by your detailed prompt directly into any Meta AI chat interface. You basically take that first prompt your AI screenwriter just gave you, maybe it's the rabbit boasting about his speed in a lush green meadow, and you feed it right to Meta. Once you have an image you just love from the 4 options it gives you, it literally takes one tap on the Animate button to bring that static cartoon to life. Meta AI is going to process the image, and within a few moments, it generates a short, moving video clip of that exact scene. It might be the rabbit zipping away or the turtle taking a slow, steady step. You literally just repeat this process, scene by scene, prompt by prompt, until you've visualized the whole shebang.
Section 4. The screen record workaround. This is how we completely bypass those download limits.
So here's the catch. While the animation feature is incredible and totally free, Meta hasn't actually provided a direct way to save these specific video files to your computer. You can generate them, sure, and watch them play inside the chat, but there's no native download button just yet. So if you want to use these clips in a larger project, we're going to need a clever workaround.
And this workaround is just pure magic.
We are basically legally bootlegging our own AI creations. By screen recording with OBS Studio, we completely bypass the download limitation and capture every single second of our animation. OBS is a free, professional-grade software. You just set it to record your screen, play your short animated clip inside the Meta AI window, and capture it. And yes, you might capture some of the surrounding chat window or, small gaps between clips, but honestly, that is exactly what the post-production editing phase is for.
Which brings us right to Section 5, editing and removing watermarks. Let's move into post-production assembly.
So there's another slight catch. Because Meta applies both invisible and visible watermarks to their generations for transparency, we are definitely going to need to clean up our captured footage. Whenever you generate an image or video on their standalone site, you're going to notice a little imagined with AI tag right in the corner. If you're building a professional-looking YouTube channel or presentation, you almost certainly want a completely clean frame.
Luckily, inside Filmora 12, there are 3 brilliant hacks to easily hide or remove those pesky watermarks. If it's right at the edge, simple cropping is your absolute best friend. Just literally cut the edge out of the frame. If a watermark somehow ends up closer to the middle of the shot, you can use the concealing method by applying a free mosaic effect right over it, which blends it seamlessly into the background. And my personal favorite is covering. Basically, you take your own channel or studio logo, shrink it down, and just place it directly on top of the Meta AI watermark. It perfectly hides the AI tag and brands your video at the exact same time. It's a total win-win.
Now, to give our story a real voice, we feed our script into Google AI Studio, which instantly spits out a professional, downloadable narration. You just paste in that simple, kid-friendly text we generated earlier, pick a single speaker voice that really fits the vibe of your story, and within seconds, you have a high-quality audio file completely ready to go. Absolutely no need to buy an expensive microphone or spend hours recording multiple takes.
And finally, we bring it all together in Canva. You open up a 1920 by 1080 HD canvas, lay down your voiceover as the main foundation, and then just drag in those cleaned up Meta AI video clips. You'll trim out the rough edges from the screen recording, making sure that, for example, the turtle moving visually matches the narrator actually saying the turtle is moving. Canva even has an awesome free library of sound effects, so when the crowd cheers at the finish line, you can drop in real cheering audio to totally bring the scene to life.
So your free studio is officially open. You now have the exact playbook to create stunning animations without spending a single dime. You know how to write the script, craft the specific prompts, generate the animations with Meta AI, bypass those pesky download limits, remove the watermarks, and edit it all together with professional audio. So the only question really left to ask is, what amazing story are you going to bring to life first?